Bro! PHI! Oh! The 991's going off! The 991's going off! This has gotta be an SVR! What?
New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Somerset County in northern...
Hunterdon, Somerset, Warren, Bucks, Lehigh, Northampton counties. Alright, here we go. We're starting off.
Thunderstorms were located along a line.
Am I saying that's related to anything? I don't know, and it might be something he does normally. I asked Rob Thompson about it. He goes, "Oh, I don't know." Just that little thing that he did.
I'm not going to worry too much about getting... The 911 went off on WXL 39.
Include Easton, Somerville, Bridge.
Where's, Wait, where's WKVP?
Traffic in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania.
Here goes WWJZ.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Oh, WX issues SVR. Okay.
In northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern...
I'm not gonna get that anymore. Just gonna finish.
Alpha and Dublin.
I'm gonna finish
For your
WKVP.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the
WWJZ
building.
is gonna take forever, and the end of the UEFA Super Cup is coming.
And may lead to flash flooding.
Oh,
Do not drive your vehicle
Possible
through flooded
flooding.
roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Somerset, and Warren, and the following counties
in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Lehigh, Northampton.
The lower...
All right, so we now have an SVR from PHI. Please again.
Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Intact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lancaster, Willow Street, New Holland, East Petersburg, Lella, Paradise, Leacock, Barraville, Lapeter, Intercourse, Gordonville, Berg in Hand, Smoketown, Dutch Wonderland, Lancaster Airport, and Franklin and Marshall College. This storm is nearly stationary and producing heavy localized rainfall. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Opt in. What is this? I know this is an SVR. Oh my gosh. Wait, is this gonna go into WXM 60? I can't hear them. And I literally just got home to this. Alright, good. SVR! Here we go! Another SVR! Here we go! Oh, okay. Monmouth.
46 p.m.
That's K-Love. K-Love's about to go.
It's always
Also, that's, there goes Caleb!
Locations impacted include Long Branch.
I guess KWO 35 is going on.
Taking calls. Holder. Northbound. Keeper. Nevada. West Long Branch. Russell. Little Silver. Oceanport. Shrewsbury. And North Middletown. For your protection, move to an interior room.
What about WIPA?
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m.
For the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey.
Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, flood watch in effect at 10 p.m.
I believe that's NJPBS. WWJZ's going, but I believe that's NJPBS if I am correct. I'm turning on the TV right now.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m.
For the following county: Monmouth, New Jersey. Alright, there we go. Alright, we have now got a Monmouth. Flash flood warning! What? Oh, the 911's going off! The 911's going off! Holy crap! This thing's going off! I forgot to put it on WXL39! Every radio's going
The
off!
National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Burlington County.
Yep, that's me. That's gotta be.
Southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania.
Oh, Philadelphia County, that's WURD. How did this fail? WURD. Alright, WKVP's going.
6:54 p.m.
I believe NJPBS should go since it's for me. I believe that's for me. Let's listen.
Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Salem, Willingboro, Florence, Burlington.
Yep, that's me. Flash flood warning for me.
Possible in the warned area.
That's me.
Don't drown when in county. Northwestern Burlington, Salem, and vehicles. Highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Salem, Willingboro, Florence.
Oh shoot, WHYY.
Giving you a shot for Broad City, and that's, was a show.
Jenkintown, Narberth, and Bordentown. Turn around. Don't drown when
I forgot who else would relay this, to be honest. The 911 went off on WXL39, which is nice. Alright. WYPA is wrapped up.
Washington County in southern New Jersey. Southeastern Bucks County in southeastern.
I believe that. Oh, well, that was loud, but.
That's what he told you.
Oh, WWJZ.
Some locations
Also, WHWH. Let's see if I can get them anywhere. Yeah, that's a no.
Narberth and Bordentown. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering
Oh, my football
flooded
team's in
roads.
this flash flood warning.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and
Do not drive on flooded roads. That's it. Well, I know NJPBS has relayed before for my county. When it was the Atlantic County, Cape May County, Ocean County, Burlington County flash flood warning, they relayed. But they so far have not relayed anything yet. Maybe they'll relay soon. I think they should be relaying any second now.
Special needs, there isn't a place
Because it's my county.
And do not drive on flooded roads.
No. I'm gonna think if anybody else is gonna relay this. I don't think so.
Really become, yeah.
Oh!